guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I haven't done one of these in forever. This is a Nordstrom Trunk Club box. Can you see this box? It's huge. It comes with a big handle on it. Shows up at your doorstep with multiple items that were picked specifically from a questionnaire that I did and some information I gave them, and it gives you outfit ideas. And I used to do this all the time. Now, this is a service that if you are a Nordstrom card holder is free to you. If you are not a Nordstrom card holder, it is a $25 fee, which is then credited to you for anything you buy. So if you buy a $50 top, $25 is taken off of that when you purchase an item. You can keep as many of these items as you want. You can send back as many as you want. You have 7 days to try these items out. And so I am super excited to do this because I haven't done it in so long. If you are new around here, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and followed along here. And I do always upload outfit ideas and these type of things over on my Instagram as well. So if you are not yet following me over there, please do that as well. Now, a few things that I did tell them that I was looking for kind of midi length dresses or skirts and kind of outfits that I could wear now because it is still warmer here in Maryland. I mean, I've got a little tank dress on today because it's so warm. And then I'll be able to take them in through fall. So what happens is you actually get the information. They give you all of the trunk information and what they're going to send you, and you give them feedback. Do you like it? Do you not? Do you like the color? Do you like the print? Is it not your style? Do you already own something similar? And information like that. And then if you remove items, because you can remove items one time, you go through. I removed a few of the items. There was like a dress that really wasn't my style and something else that I already had like an exact one of. And then you can either choose to replace those items and they can choose the items and you don't get to choose them or like say no to them with the next round, or you can say just send it as is. And then there's a new option where you can do add-ons afterwards as well. So it's like sunglasses, bags, just little items, like nothing super expensive, like inexpensive items that you can add on to your order to try as well. I did not choose any add-ons, but I did go through and pull off, I think it was 3 items I removed and she added 3 items back. And you can give feedback saying, like I said, okay, remove these 3. However, I would like to see something that I could layer over the dresses. I would like to see like maybe a pair of booties I could wear with it. And they also give you outfit ideas. So if it's, let's say, a skirt and they give you a top and they give you some booties and a jacket, they actually show you in the app or on your phone how to put those items together. And then they'll show you to use that skirt again with another top and maybe a different pair of boots and maybe a different jacket or things like that. So it's a really fun service. And when you first sign up, you do go through and do a whole questionnaire that's kind of fun so they get a feel for your style. Now, they do offer a $50 credit to anyone that uses my link, same as if you sign up and do this and you tell someone about it, you can give someone $50, and then it then also in turn gives me a credit if you use my link. So I am going to try these things on, but I did want to tell you one item. This was not a part of my trunk. I have talked about these time and time again. This is what they are. This is the Waycole red carpet ready strapless bra. I have so many of them. I love them. I'm afraid to go without them. I am a bigger chested girl. I am a 34C, sometimes 32D, depending, and strapless bras never worked for me. Biggest bane of my existence. I could never wear like strappy dresses or tops or camis. And when I found this, I fell in love with it. Let me show you. Actually, I got a new one. So this is what it looks like. And it comes with straps, and they're just regular straps, but they are removable. You can crisscross them. If you have more of a T-back, you can do one sleeve or a cross. You can take them off. Kind of has this great rubber, like plastic stuff up through here. It is not on the bottom of the band here, but it does go along the band right through here. They are adjustable up to 3 sizes. I get this to tell you exactly what size I get. I get it in a 34D. So be aware of that. And I am going to be trying all of these items on with this. I love to try items on, new items on with a strapless bra because I feel like I can get a better feel for it. I don't ever want to see a strap or something showing when I'm trying on. I want it to look the best it can to see if I really like it. Another thing I do want to mention before I get started is in a top, I am typically a size medium or a large. Dresses, again, that same type of thing, a medium or a large. A 10 is typically around my sizing for a dress if they have a true size. In pants, jeans, skirts, things like that, I am a size 10. Sometimes I can go down to a size 8. If it's a really like conforming style, then sometimes I go up to a size 12. In shoes, I am a size 8.5. In booties, I wear a 9 because I like to have a little bit of room to them. I told you about my bra size. I am 5'6". I am 155 pounds currently, to give you an idea. And so I'm very excited to give this a try and get some ideas for fall, kind of going in through even winter. So I'm going to try all these items on together. I'm going to show you how they explain them. I'll talk through fit and explain what I think of an item and if I have something similar, or if I have something else that I would prefer, or if I really love it. And then also on it, I will tell you whether I'm keeping it, returning it, or exchanging it for another size, which is a great part with Nordstrom versus a lot of these other services. A lot of these other services, when you get it in, what size you get is what you get. With Nordstrom, they will actually exchange it for another size if you need it. So that is a great option as well. So I have talked enough. Let's jump into trying these on. Okay, this is outfit number 1. First thing I'm going to note is, first of all, I can never have enough jean jackets. I can never have too many is a better way to say that. This is actually very cute. It's more stiff, which I kind of like. I kind of like the cropped, which is not something for me. I did unbutton one side because I tend to be someone who takes the sleeves. I just figured I'd show you guys. And I roll them up more so like this, not necessarily with a long sleeve shirt underneath of it, but it's kind of more where I do this type of thing. So that's more, I would fold it correctly. But then this side is what's buttoned, but I have plenty of room around the wrist. It does have distressing. As I mentioned, it's a little stiff, but I kind of like it. This is what it looks like in the back, and the collar has a lot of distressing up through this part right here. It's actually kind of cool. I didn't think I was going to love it, but I actually think I do. So this is in a size large. I think it fits me correctly. I've got enough room in through here. This is where I struggle. It's not really a puff sleeve, but there is a good amount of room through there. It is $100, so it's a little bit more. I tend to be more around the $60 or $70 range for a jean jacket. But I think I am going to be keeping this. I actually really, really like this. So now let's move on to the next item, which is this top right here. This top is from Billabong. It is in a size medium. Let me put this jacket down to show you. This is in a size medium. I'm glad that she sized down for me. If I had a bra on with straps, you would be seeing it right here. It is definitely more oversized. It is a little see-through. This is another thing. This is a nude colored one, and I can still see this through that. It is more of a drop shoulder, which sometimes can work for me, sometimes can't. The sleeves are a great length. The top itself goes high, low. It's a little bit higher, like very slightly. Can you see side to side there? It's a little bit more than in the back. Something like this, though, I would take it like you saw and tuck it in. This is $49.95. It's fine. I don't love it. I don't hate it, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. It's just not really my style. It's just okay. It's cute, but I'm not like, ooh, I love this. All right, so we're going to move on to the skirt. I'm going to tuck this in just a little bit more here. This skirt is from Blank NYC. It is in a size 31. It does not have pockets. This is completely buttoned up and down all the way through the whole thing. Size 31 for me runs like a size 10. It fits nicely through the back. It doesn't have any gapping, which is super important for me, but I do have room. I don't feel like it is too tight through the hips or anything like that. I think in through the winter with a pair of tights and this skirt would be so much fun. Now, this is $98, so this is kind of hard for me. This one is difficult because it's a little bit trendier of an item, and I am not typically comfortable in this length of a skirt. I don't know, just it really, I love, love, love the look of it, but I'm just not sold on it. And for $98, like, I really want to love it. I am going to show it to you with the other tee that she had sent to me, just so you can see, because that's another way she suggested to style it. But let's talk about these booties. They are from BP. They are a great pair. They're very comfortable. They are in an 8.5, which actually surprisingly is perfect for me. They do zip up the back. They have the more block heel to it. They are very comfortable. They are a great price point at $69.95. However, I have a black pair from last year. They're either Mark Fisher or Vince Camuto that I had gotten that are a black faux suede, which would do the same exact look. It's actually almost the same exact pair. All right, take that back. I actually pulled them out because I wanted to see. They are from Vince Camuto. They are pretty much the same style. This has more of a pointed toe. The BP has more of a rounded toe. This is a faux suede with the plastic heel. This one is a leather with the plastic heel, but realistically, I can't validate having two pairs of almost exactly the same thing. So I will link both pairs of booties down below for you, but these are a great option. If I didn't already have something exactly like it, I would keep them. Now let's look at this with the black top. So this is that same outfit. This is the top untucked. This is the Whisper Cotton V-neck tanks from Madewell. I love these. This is, I think, a size large. It actually feels big on me. I think I might have to go down to a size medium in this. See how it's like gaping right here? But these are amazing. I love these. I have them in white and black. Actually, I could use to get it in gray. This is the length of it though. I mean, you could do the same thing where you kind of do a little bit of a front tuck there so you can see that. I wish it had a pocket is another thing. I love this look. I think it's great. When I watch this back, I may change my mind about this skirt, but my first thought process is, oh, I just won't grab for it. She also had suggested to actually wear this with the jean jacket. I wanted to show you this. See the distressing in through here? That's really the only distressing on this jacket, but I wanted to show you what it looks like with this, just so you can see. I really love this jacket. All right, so this is the whole outfit put together the way they suggested it. You could tuck the whole shirt in. Let me do it this way just so you can, just rolling it and tucking it real quick just so you can see what it would look like this way. The whole outfit all the way together. This is one sleeve down. This is typically how I would do it, but the jacket is definitely staying. Okay, next outfit, and this is why I do this. These are things that take me outside of my comfort zone, but this is the full outfit that she had suggested together. I'm going to take the jean jacket off and show you the actual dress because you've seen that, but the same booties. But now let's talk about the dress. So the dress itself is in a size 10. Which fits me correctly through here. I have a little bit of room, but if I went down a size, it would be uncomfortable. It does have pockets, which is so, so, so cute. But here's where my problems come in, is this, okay? I would have to have this fitted. And then it also is very gaped right through here. So I would have to have this taken in as well on both sides. Now this dress is normally $148 and it's on sale for $82.30. But I have to think, would I enjoy it enough, and how much would I need to pay for alterations? Is it worth it? So overall, I love the overall look of this dress, but I don't think that it is something like this is going to annoy me, and am I going to bother to get it altered? Probably not, but I do like the style of this and the look of this, because sometimes I watch these videos back because I'm trying this on for the first time and I go, ooh, that does look good. Or sometimes I look at it and go, ooh, why did I think I liked that? Next up is this dress that I have on here. This is from a brand called River Island. It is in a size 12. This is the full outfit put together with the jean jacket on and the booties as they had suggested. Okay, so this dress is crazy comfy, guys. It is like super stretchy. It's very well fitted. It does not have pockets. It fits great on the side. It has a little bit higher of a neck with a little bit of a ruffle. It has a keyhole detail with a button in the back. This is $70. It is very comfortable, very cute. You could wear this in through fall. You could put a pair of over the knee boots on underneath of it, a pair of tights and booties, the jean jacket. You could wear actually a long sleeve black or white tee underneath of it. So many different ways to wear this. I definitely think that this one is going to be a fun keeper. Next up is the same jean jacket. Now I do have it on with this skirt from Treasure and Bond and the top that is from Wit and Wisdom. I'm going to take the jean jacket off and we'll talk about these, but this is what the full outfit that they had suggested looks like together. Okay, first things first, we're going to talk about this top. This top is from Wit and Wisdom. It is a crew neck top. It has the ruffle sleeve detail in it. It is in a size large, but the sleeve sits at a funny spot. It's like right where your arm is. I don't know what I think of this color either. It's like a plum color, like a deep wine color, but you can't see the ruffle because of that. I almost feel like this might look better in like a white if they have it. But I think also I would need to size down in this just because I feel like if it was sized down, this might be up a little bit further. So that is interesting. I will show you the length of it. So it does go all the way around. I mean, look how that just kind of like tents me. It's kind of weird. Then we're going to talk about this skirt. Oh, this top, by the way, is $39, which I think is a great deal if they have other colors. I'm going to look into that. Now let's talk about this skirt. I wanted to love this skirt. It is from Treasure and Bond. It is in a size medium. I could barely get it up. I definitely needed this in a size large to see if I liked it. This one I may be exchanging. It's just, when I say it is like I can't move an inch on this thing. It just was very, very difficult to get up. I wanted to love it. Has a cute slit in the back, as you can see here. It is very soft and very comfortable. It is $49. It comes up, my belly button is down here to give you an idea of frame of reference, but I wanted to love this. The last dress is this one here. Oh, does that have pockets? It does have pockets. I have this on how they suggested to style it and wear it again this way. It looks absolutely so cute and I feel like I would love it. But let's talk about the dress itself. So the dress itself is a brand called Maggie London. It was a size 12. It is $138 on sale for $89.90, I think. The straps are adjustable, but I had to adjust them almost all the way down to get it to sit right at my waist here, but then it looks like my boobs are like hanging out everywhere, and that is so not me. It's very comfortable, it's very cute, it's very flowy, definitely a super, super cute dress, and if I was planning on always wearing it with a jacket, I wouldn't mind. So as much as I love the look of this overall from like here down, this one is just not one that I'm going to be keeping. So that is everything that I tried on. This is why I find this service so interesting, because this jean jacket, when I saw she put it on there, I was like, I already have so many jean jackets. And it's one of the items I'm keeping. I am definitely keeping the brown, longer, higher neck dress. I love, love, love that one. There's so many ways I'm gonna be able to wear that I'm really excited about it. But unfortunately, there were also a lot of items that didn't work out for me as far as either sizing, fit, or just my style in general. So you guys have already seen whether I was keeping or returning an item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoy this, what your thoughts are. If you liked items, I love hearing about that down below, what your thoughts are on how things fit and whether I should have kept it or maybe sent it back if I did keep something. And this is just a really fun style of video. As I mentioned, Nordstrom Trunk does give a $50 referral if you use my link down below if you are interested in trying out this service. And as always, if you are new around here, I would love if you subscribed and followed along with my channel. And if you have any questions about anything that I tried on, please let me know down below. All links are listed down below for the items that you saw as well. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.